Well, in the 80s, there was this Grand National, 1987. It was a Buick, it was really fast with the turbocharger. Then in 89.5, Trans Am put that exact engine in a white and gold Trans Am, and it was 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Well, that wasn't going to sit well with Chevy, so in 1990 they decided to put out the ZR1. Here it is, 375 horsepower, 4-cam, 32-valve V8. This only came with one option, and that was the solid black top, which this car has, as well as the translucent top. They only came in 6 speeds. This particular one is black with 6,000 miles on it, 6,600. This is a true testament of the 90s, the very beginning of the 90s, when Corvette decided to quit playing games and decided to get very fast, and they did. 375 horsepower doesn't sound a lot, but in 1990 it was. This car is just a testament to all the good stuff they had in the 90s. You could change the mode to drive with this key to go from regular mode to completely ridiculous mode. You've got options in here for sports suspension, regular suspension, or preferred suspension, whatever that might be.
Performance.
Performance? Is that what it was? It's so weird, these acronyms. Anyway, unidirectional tires, obviously. 6,000 miles on it. It's just gorgeous. The black is perfect. Really is a gorgeous car. And yes, Jake, we have to drive this car.
Absolutely.
There and back. Let us get going, shall we?
Very fast windows again.
Well, it's a ZR1. Doesn't get quite as fast. 1990.
There's your key for the engine modes. It's on normal right now. You could flip that to full.
Good.
Suspension settings right there.
I don't want to mess with it.
And your other top right behind us in the top holder. This one, on the other hand, is solid.
The only option, which I did not know, the shifter feels new. It all feels new with this guy.
6,900 miles it basically is. Our AC's on, it's blowing cold. I can feel it.
Very cool. Feels like new. And this came out the year I graduated high school. But the handling is insane.
We have rubber suspension on performance. We switch it to tour.
Maybe it'll be a bit smoother. How about that, Jake? How about that handling? I'm not going to do one of those crazy starts, Jake. I'm just not. It's just like, we're like in the church of Corvette here. They put this car out. They decided to just quit playing around with the Europeans. And as time progressed, look at us. Look at us now.
Very busy guy, and he had to take a phone call as soon as we got to our spot. But I wanted to show you how to open the trunk. In your console here, if I can move it, yellow button. Look at that. Opens right up, and the struts work amazing. And if we swing back here, there's your other top. This one glass, like we said, the other one solid black, but you have 2 top options. And this little latch here is how you take it out. Pull on this slips right out, and it clips in on the 2 bottom corners and on the top so that it does not rattle around while you're driving. You could probably tell you could not hear it rattling at all while we were driving up here. Why don't we do a startup from the outside?